Hello and welcome back to Eat Like a Local from Uber Eats, the show that helps you discover new dishes and delivers them straight to your door. My name's Jackson and I'm the founder of Black Eats London, the UK's first and only black-owned restaurant directory. I'm in Leeds today to meet Ryan, the chef and owner of Ryan's Kitchen, a small restaurant that serves up some of the best Jamaican dishes in the city.
We're here to try jerk chicken with a twist.
Welcome to Ryan's Kitchen.
Thank you.
So when I first came to Leeds, I moved to Chapeltown. I lived in a house share, and in that house share was different Jamaican people. So I got them to teach me how to cook the basic foods, like curry goat, curry chicken, and your classics, your rice and peas. And then from there, I just took the basics and developed it and create my own style of cuisine. I didn't know how to cook one Jamaican dish before, and now I've got the full menu.
So how have you kind of developed your recipes over time?
I take the traditional recipe and then I try and adjust it by balancing the sweet and the spice together. So you got the flavour from the Scotch bonnets, but without the heat. I've got a nice plate of food for you here.
All right, let's see it.
You ready?
Sweet but spicy and that honey is really coming through. So what goes into your marinade? Is that a secret recipe, or are you gonna give us some insight on that?
You've got your black pepper, spring onions, thyme, Scotch bonnets, nutmeg, cinnamon.
So you're gonna tell me what's in the sauce?
That has got honey and it's got jerk and it's got some gravy.
Okay, nice. And do you think, what do people come back for? Is it the sauce or the chicken?
Both. We work well together.
Okay, so it's a nice duo. Don't just take my word for it. Try it now at home.